Welcome back, folks. Yes, in the whole idea of shameless self-promotion, I was talking up the YouTube channel at work to a good coworker friend of mine named Mindy. And Mindy and I were just talking, chit-chatting. I showed her the channel, and she said, you know, my favorite cocktail is an Espresso Martini, but with tequila. I thought to myself, that sounds like a pretty good idea. And she said she'd subscribe if I made the Espresso Martini with tequila in it for her, and she said her mom was going to do it too. So, hey, hit that subscribe button, Mindy and Mindy's mom. So here we go. We're going to make the Espresso Martini with tequila. So I don't have an espresso machine, but I do have a mocha pot. Mocha pot is very similar. Basically, you're just looking for a pretty strong coffee. And I use this Italian Illy coffee. You want the coffee to be chilled, so I've measured out 2 ounces and stuck it in the freezer for a little bit just to cool it down. We're going to be using a coffee liqueur. This is Sub Rosa. We've used it before. I'm going to keep using it for under $10. This is a value. It tastes good, and it's a why would I not? Kahlua is another option. We're going to use a dark tequila here because it's a dark drink. You can see there it's got a dark body to it. This is Corazon. Corazon is one of my favorite tequilas for mixing, for margaritas, all that kind of stuff. It's not expensive. It's in the $25 to $30 range. Tastes great. Remember, you're looking for 100% agave. If it says Jose Cuervo, hard pass. Okay? 100% agave. This is a good one. There's tons of great agave distillates out there, and this is a good one to use. Okay, so 2 ounces of espresso. Okay. This is a simple recipe. It's also 2 ounces of coffee liqueur. And then 2 ounces of your tequila. And of course, if you wanted to make one a little smaller, just use 1 ounce and an ounce and an ounce. Or if you want to make them by the pitcher, use a gallon, a gallon, a gallon. Either way. All right, so now, to get that layer of foam on the top, we got to shake this cocktail pretty hard. That's why I'm using a shaker and not a mixing glass. So here we go. Hang on a second. All right. So you can tell that shaker there has gotten really cold really quick, and that's what we're looking for. All right. Once again, we're back with our Whiskey brand. That's coupe glass. Not sponsored by Whiskey at all. However, their products are top-notch, and I will continue to recommend them as far as I can. All right. Get all that stuff in there. Now, you're going to see this one change a little bit where the cream starts to come to the top. And, of course, our garnish here is going to be 3 coffee beans. And we'll just drop them in there. The coffee beans have a tendency not to fall out on your shirt. That's good. All right, Mindy's mom, cheers to you. The Espresso Martini with tequila. Cheers. Stay safe, my friends. Mindy, you are right on the money. That's delicious. Thanks for the idea. Put your ideas below. Love to make anything we can for you. Take care, folks.